Among the modifications of the fourth-generation Toyota Camry, the most common are classic four-door sedans. It was these versions that were supplied by Toyota dealers and domestic distillers, as a rule, imported sedans. Station wagons. Camry wagon in our country, a rarity. But lately, elegant Solara coupes have begun to appear on the roads. There is no need to worry about the corrosion resistance of the Camry. Its bodies are galvanized. Cargo compartments. Camry, one of the largest among classmates. In addition, their size can be increased by folding the back of the rear sofa. Salon. The interior of the car is spacious. There is enough free space in the back seat, and if necessary, even 4 passengers will be accommodated there. Contributes to the convenience of landing and a low central tunnel of the floor. Visibility in the Camry is good. In the basic version, the car is equipped with climate control, ABS, EBD, power windows, electric mirrors, 4 airbags, adjustable steering column, central locking. And the 3.0-liter versions will delight spoiled motorists with electric front seats, moreover, as a driver's seat. And passenger, leather trim and TRC, traction control system. Engine. The range of engines is completely borrowed from its predecessor. The car was equipped with only 2 gasoline engines, a 4-cylinder, 5 SFE, 2.2-liter 16V, 131 horsepower, and a 6-cylinder V6, 1 MZFE, 3.0-liter 24V, 190 horsepower. Motors are time-tested and have proven to be quite reliable. When choosing between the 2 versions, it is worth knowing that the 3.0-liter is much more expensive to maintain, and this applies not only to higher fuel consumption. For example, every 100,000 kilometers, when replacing the timing belt, you will have to spend money on an expensive hydraulic tensioner, compared to the inexpensive roller used in a 4-cylinder engine. In addition, spark plugs with platinum electrode tips are installed on the V6. Transmission. All Camry, front-wheel drive, 3.0-liter versions were aggregated with 4-speed automatic gearboxes. 2.2 liters could be equipped with both a 5-speed mechanics and an automatic. There are no problems with mechanical gearboxes, but the machines failed mainly due to untimely replacement of the lubricant. Most often, the bearing of the automatic transmission output shaft becomes unusable and the oil seal of the fluid coupling leaks. Suspension. The ground clearance of the Camry is quite large, 150 millimeters, so it is quite suitable for outdoor enthusiasts. The independent front and rear suspensions of the car, equipped with stabilizers, are moderately rigid and provide the car with excellent stability. In addition, even on bad roads, the suspension is distinguished by an enviable indestructibility. After 30 to 40,000 kilometers, you will have to change the bushings of the anti-roll bars. Stabilizer links last longer, and due to the greater mass of the engine on 3.0-liter versions, they last 70,000 kilometers, and on 2.2-liter, about 100,000 kilometers. The resource of all other parts also reaches the 100,000 mark. Steering. All cars were equipped with rack and pinion steering, the work of which is facilitated by the hydraulic booster. When driving on bad roads after 70 to 100,000 kilometers, it may be necessary to replace the steering rack bushing, and by the mileage of 250 to 300,000 kilometers, the lower cross of the steering shaft fails. Brake system. The braking system of the European and Japanese versions is equipped with disc mechanisms, but the Americans were equipped with drum-type rear brakes. There are no serious complaints about the brakes. Experts recommend that in order to avoid problems, regularly lubricate the parking brake drive mechanism and do not forget to use the handbrake. The 4th-generation Toyota Camry can be safely called one of the best business-class cars. It not only provides its owners with an appropriate level of comfort, but also has a high reliability, which many competitors cannot afford.